spots now. One blast of boiling hot mud will burn the whiskers right off in your face. If you need a quick way to any level of the mine, you can't beat one of those mounted contraptions up ahead. Pretty safe, too. Now here's a precious sight to these old miners' eyes. Yes, sir, the Calico glory holes made a lot of dusty old prospectors into millionaires, I tell you. This here underground lake's one of hundreds found all throughout these winding caves. That fellow over there is paying for gold from the sluice, and that other fellow's paying for dinner.
Remember, one straight spark will all get lost.
Special kind of shores we use throughout the mine to hold the walls and seal them. It makes all this deep level excavation possible. The modern miracle. Let's have a little light, huh? Take a look at that! My, what a beautiferous sight, I tell you. It ain't often we come across glowing formations like these stalagmites and stalactites. Say now, that's old seldom seen Slim yonder with that big nugget. That's bound to be 10 pounds, I'll bet you. This here's the very upper reaches of the glory hole, where we dug more than $80 million worth of pure gold. Why, you can almost smell all that gold just waiting to be discovered. I don't venture out on the distressful top anything heavier than my burrow milkshake or water gap. So keep your hands and arms inside at all times so as not to upset the car.